DIY face mask, guys. I am going to show you how to make this cool little mask. So recently I found this nice video. It was deleted. I think a lot of videos in China are being deleted right now. So I wanted to just give you guys a little lesson on how to make your own little easy mask. Okay, guys. So this is how I started. And what's nice about these is you can wash them over and over again and have them ready to go. So take it out so you can see what I did. So I used a bandana, but she was using like a piece of fabric or a towel. So all you do is fold it this way. Fold again. I try to make the creases like match up perfectly, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And it feels really good. It's nice fabric. So it feels really good on your skin. So like that. You see it, the lines are as so. So I bought rubber bands from the Dollar Tree. They're just simple rubber bands. You can use whatever kind of rubber bands you want. So you like this. Put it around. Try to keep your cuts good still. Hope everyone is staying safe. And like this. And fold over. And fold over. I was like, hey, this is super easy and everyone's talking about making masks, so why not? Okay, so this, here you go. See, bam. Really stays well on your face too, so I'll show you guys. Goes around your ears. And what's nice is the fabric is big enough to where if you needed to like protect your eyes a little bit, you could go like that. So there you have it, guys. Easy breezy 1-minute DIY mask. Hope everyone stays safe.